Well, it's about that time of year. Leaves are now on the trees. The last sign of spring has emerged. And politically here in Washington, that means one thing. The Supreme Court of the United States is getting ready to issue their rulings. Everything from your family's finances to the future of the internet is at stake.
Big issue number one, student loan forgiveness. It's been a few months since rallies happened outside the court supporting President Biden's student loan forgiveness plan. As a reminder, the president wants $10 grand forgiven for individuals making less than $125,000 a year. $20,000 could be forgiven if you received Pell Grants while in college. When the high court rules, it also starts the clock for when student loan payments begin again. Studentaid.gov says that happens 60 days after litigation ends. Big issue number two, the future of the internet. Two cases deal with whether social media sites like YouTube and Twitter are liable for the content that gets posted. If justices rule that social media sites are accountable, it could mean new restrictions on what can be posted online, since companies will want to limit litigation. Big issue number three, race. There are a couple of cases on this one. First, the Supreme Court will decide whether applications to go to college can include questions about race. Already, 9 states outlaw the practice. The Supreme Court's opinion could ban it nationwide, deeming it violates equal protection laws. And then there is race and elections. Justices will rule whether Alabama properly drew its congressional districts. Currently, around a quarter of the voters in the state are black. However, only one congressional district is made up of majority black voters. The court's opinion could make it easier for lawmakers to draw maps nationwide without the worry of lawsuits regarding race. And finally, big issue number 4, religious liberty. This case involves a web designer from Colorado. She wants to start designing wedding websites, but says her faith won't allow her to create ones for same-sex couples. She would like the Supreme Court to say it's okay, even though the state has already told her she needs to serve everyone if she wants to operate. In recent years, justices have sided with bakers and coaches in cases where religious liberty was allegedly threatened. Critics fear the opinion could open the door for more denials of constitutional rights for LGBTQ+ Americans. Joe St. George, Scripps News, Washington.